Beautiful. Here. Excellent. C5 C-6 degeneration in the neck with a decreased range of motion, slight reversal of the curve on X-ray, weak on shoulder flexion. It's improved to the point where when we do just a straight abduction, it's equal where it was week before. So now let's come up and we'll do shoulder flexion here, hold, and it blows away. Hold, and it's a rock. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to make some adjustments in any of the spinal bones that are out of alignment, free up the brachial plexus in here, get a good nerve supply and bring the strength back into that area. And she's already practicing getting some curve back into her spine, and she's been doing a lot of mobilization for her scapula and shoulder and generalized strengthening. So let's go ahead and go face down. So the lumbar spine is reduced as far as it's a hypolordosis, where they should have a nice lordotic curve. So these two areas are reduced. It's that area. So line this side first, face me. And straighten the bottom leg. So through the years, she's done a lot of heavy training. So sometimes you do a lot of heavy training and you have these underlying weaknesses. It's going to result with some shoulder issues. And it can actually affect a lot of other things too. So I'm going to come in here. Really let that come all the way.
Oh,
perfect.
excuse me.
Good. Excellent. Let's go ahead and sit up for a moment. So we're going to have you have a seat right here. I'm going to try to open up the shoulders a little more. Interlace behind your neck and lie back down. We're going to see if we can get these upper just right here. Good. Excellent. Yeah, interlace behind your neck. Elbows together. Just let it loosen up. Yeah, right in there. Good. Cool. Yeah. It's like a rock in there, but it freed up nicely. And let's have you lie on your back. So it's raised up a little bit on that SC joint there. She has crepitus as she moves her arm around, so the little swelling there. As time goes on, that should reduce more and more. So we're going to get a good nerve supply right there. Open that up. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Get it right there. And I'm going to lay down this way. Good. And right here. Yeah. And take a deep breath again. And good. And where did you feel that the most? Did you feel that go down through your...
I felt it here.
Yeah. Okay.
Today.
Okay.
In the upper portion.
Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to bring that arm out, and you know how you're doing that horizontal extension right there. Now bring it right here. Let's do this. Okay. Go ahead and bring your shoulder towards me. Just straight up as if you're going to, there you go, and then back down. Doing okay? Good. Excellent. Now let's go face down. Now we're going to push up off this table. And work just a little bit like lumbar curve. And face down. And you can still feel some of that. Good. So better. Okay, let's check that. Let's have you sit up so you're facing a little on this side. Bring our right arm up and hold. Okay, that one's good. Hold. Okay, good. So it's locking out better.
Mm-hmm.
So we went ahead and we had to open up those areas, get a good nerve supply. We did put a little force in to try to open up that SC joint a little bit. Everything balanced nicely, so when this is more of a healing environment, so now when you're doing all the other stuff at home, you can start taking off from there, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's just lie down, rest for a moment.
Thank
and
you.
Power's on.
Okay.